Okay, the Wayne Cook. So there's two ways to do that. It's the easier way, which is arms out and then turn the backs of the hands towards one another. Take your right arm across the top of the left. Interlace your fingers, drop the hands down, and then bring the hands up toward you. Tuck the elbows in if you can. Take a breath in and a breath out. A breath in and out. Then reach the arms back out. Change the crossover of the arms. Interlace your fingers. Bring the hands down and toward the body. Raise the arms up. You might not be able to get all the way here. Elbows tucked in. Take a breath in and out. In and out. And once more in and out. And release the arms. Give a little shake out. The harder Wayne Cook, a guy that couldn't, he had a stammer, he just discovered this movement would really help with his stammer. So this is one you can do a little bit easier. That's what I just did. Slightly more complicated ones in terms of trying to get it in your mind is take the right foot above the left knee. And of course you might not be able to physically get there. If you can't do it, do as we did before. Backs the hands toward one another, cross over, draw the arms in. Otherwise, take your right hand to the bottom of the right foot and the left hand to the outside of the other leg. Take a breath in and out. In and out. And in and out. Release the leg, changing feet. If you can't get here, if you straighten that leg out a bit, you might then have a chance. If that leg's too bent in, you might not be able to reach. So left hand to the bottom of the left foot, right hand crossing over, do it in front or that way. Take a breath in and out. In and out. And in and out. Release the foot, shake out through the arms. Thanks so much for watching. If you wish to, you can do this every day. Get yourself ready for a perfect day. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button and the like button if you liked it. Thank you. Bye-bye.